What's up, guys? In today's trading session, I'm going to show you one of my favorite pairs of indicators to use. Now, I'm talking about my fractal band, and the CCI oscillator. This has proven to give me a lot of decent signals over the years of me trading. And I'm going to share with you how I use them together. So stick to the end of this video because you're going to really learn a lot from the insights I'm going to drop in this video. Anyways, let's get right to the charts and then start trading, make some money, hopefully. Definitely, probably. Let's see how it plays out, guys. I don't know. Okay, guys, so we are already on the pocket option platform, and as you can see above, I've already selected a couple of assets that we're going to be using for today, guys. And these are the ones that have the best payout percentages, and also they have the best movement for the strategy we're going to be using today. So that's very, very important. And we're going to be trading like a breakdown and a rebound strategy, guys. I'm going to go more in detail as we take our trades, of course. And the indicators, just like I mentioned, the intro is our fractal bands, our fractal with a period of 6, and also we're going to also have our CCI oscillator, and that is with a period of 20. Okay, guys, that's for the indicators. Now, for the CCI oscillator, we're really going to focus on the oversold and overbought areas. That's our area of concern. And I'm going to combine that, of course, to the other indicators to get the best signals, guys. And I'll really go over how I decide to choose the signals and everything. So pay attention to the end, guys. We're going to be trading on the 1 minute time frame, guys. And also have $60 in our balance, but I'm going to be starting with just $30 for our first trade. So, I mean, that is it for our setup for today's session. Let's see what the first signal is going to be, and let's see how we can get this party started.
If you want to trade like a pro, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. Daily trading signals, winning strategies that actually work, live trading and profit breakdowns. Don't miss out on game-changing content that can make you serious money. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a trade.
Okay, guys, so we have our first opportunity. We have our first trade in. I took a buy here, and we're kind of following the current trend dynamics. Now, let me just get our workspace ready, and we'll go more in detail into this. So we can see this push down, like this downtrend that happened previously, and after that there was a structural minimum update, actually a global structural minimum update. And so now I'm anticipating a reversal, and that is also because, you know, we had a break of the fractal bands. You can see that over there. We had a breakout, so that's indicating that there might be a possible reversal in the works, guys. So that's why I took this trade for a buy. It's looking kind of tight, but I think we should end with a decent result for this one, guys. We usually end our first trades in profit, so let's try and keep that up. Sweet. 1 second. Perfect. Okay, so the first trade was in profit, guys. I took advantage of this red candle to get a better entry point, and that really helped us to secure this profit, guys. Let's look for the next asset. I hope the explanation I'm giving is pretty clear. If you have any questions, feel free to write in the comments, guys. I'd love to help you and answer. Okay, guys, so I just saw another entry. I just updated my balance in case this one doesn't go well. To be honest, this is not the best entry point, guys. Like, this is not the most optimal entry point, but I didn't want to miss the move, so I still entered. Let's get this workspace ready. I'm looking at the oversold area of the CCI oscillator. We can see it exiting there, and the fractal was updated, and now we also see a touch of the fractal bands happening right now. So with all this happening, I went for a buy, guys. If this one doesn't go in our favor, I'm going to take an additional trade and open at a better price, hopefully, and still get some decent profits on this trade. I actually should have waited for price to give me a better entry, but I was hasty and I just took the trade once I saw it. When you're taking 1 minute trades, guys, you want to make sure that you kind of get a good entry point, because that will really determine if you win or lose. the trade. Sometimes the market is not very volatile, and if you don't get a decent entry, you would not end in a win. Just like I just lost the previous trade. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind, guys. Like right now, there is not decent volatility. But the second entry I took should be a decent price. So maybe we'll still end this one with a win. Hopefully, we'll end with a win. Let's see how it plays out, guys. Come on. Don't do this to me. Don't play me dirty like this. Okay, guys. I'm seeing some green. Hopefully, we can keep that to the end. Oh my God. Sweet, guys. Okay, right at the last second, we had our exit. That was a bit tense, I'm not gonna lie. And that's just what I was saying, guys. Like the volatility was not enough, and that really affected our trade. I'm gonna try my best to pick the highest probability trades from now on, guys, so we don't have situations like this occur again. So I've gone with the full balance. So as you can see, like if we lose the next trade, it's gone, guys. We're gonna try our best to get a perfect entry point and maximize our profit for today. The entry point really messed me up for this trade, to be honest. Anyways, it's fine. Some are wins, some are losses. Let's go ahead to select the next asset, guys.
Imagine you can make money even while you were sleeping. I know it sounds crazy, but it's real. With an AI trading bot that analyzes the market 24/7, executes trades with insane accuracy, all you have to do is sit back, relax, and watch your balance grow. No stress, no emotions, just profits. Tap the link below to get access to the AI bot now and start making money on autopilot.
There might be a potential trade here, guys, but I'm not yet set in stone. I'm not yet sure. And I don't want to go rushing in like I did for the previous trade. So let me just monitor this a bit more. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, guys, I'm taking the trade. Okay, so I took this one. I took a buy here, and we had a break of the upper fractal band, as you can see, guys. And that's what's really pushing me to take this trade for a buy. Let's get our workspace ready. So let's consider this previous downtrend that happened. And after the downtrend, we can see that there was an update in the global structure minimum, guys. And after that update, we're seeing a push upwards now. That even led to a break of the fractal bands. So I am seeing this as a potential reversal. We see that red candle that went down, like a pullback and a pushback up. The CCI oscillator has also not crossed the overbought zone. So I'm really expecting price to keep on pushing up at this level. And that is precisely what is happening, guys. We're getting a decent outcome from this trade decision. I'm really satisfied with this. Okay. Sweet. I told you guys I'm going to choose only the most high, like the highest probable trades. That's what I'm going to be choosing from now on, so I can properly explain this strategy to you guys. Let's update our balance for the maximum. Let's get the next entry, guys. We don't have any room for error, really. Let's get the next asset and see. Okay, guys. So I just saw a very, very decent entry. This one is also a very decent entry. I took a buy for this position, and I'm seeing very decent volatility happening, so we shouldn't have any problem with this trade, really. Let's get our workspace ready. Just like the previous one, we can see this downtrend that occurred, and after that we had a structural minimum update. Now after this update, we can also see price pushing up. There was a break of the upper fractal bands. You see that over there, and we had our dip in. You see the red candle, we had a dip in, and now price is making another pullback. So definitely we should get a decent push up after this pullback. Sweet, guys. Just like I said, we're getting decent reactions happening after our entry point. And these are the kind of trades I like to see. When there's decent volatility, price moves away from your entry point. So like if it's against you, it's going to move away harshly. And for you, just like it was for us in this trade, sweet, it moved very well in our direction. These are the kind of trades I really like. I am satisfied with the results we have so far, but I'm just going to update the balance. Let's take one more trade, guys. And this one is just like a freebie trade. And if it goes against us, it won't be a problem. I'm already very satisfied with the amount we've made so far. Let's just take one more to solidify our results for the day. If we can get one more trade in. Okay, I like what I see. I like this. So we have something interesting happening on Apple. Took a buy here. I'm just noticing that all the trades we took today were actually a buy. Let's get our workspace ready. So we're actually following the direction of the trend for this one, and the section we're focusing on is right here. You see this push downwards that happened, and after that we have a structural minimum update. Now price rings for that area a while, and then there is a break to the upside of the fractal bands. You see that indicated there. And after this break, I am expecting price to continue its uptrend. And from the oscillator, we're also seeing a gradual, shift from the oversold to the overbought area. It's kind of little, but you have to pay attention to these little moves. And just like I said, that we're getting decent push in our direction, even if price is coming down to our entry points. But we have a couple of seconds left. Yes. Okay, we ended the win again. I mean, even if this ended with a loss, I'm not going to be too sad because, like I mentioned, this is just like a freebie trade, but we still ended with a win just to solidify, the strategy. Let's go ahead to withdraw, guys. I'm really satisfied with the gains of today. I'm really, really satisfied. A total of $391, guys. Sweet. Okay, put that in, and that is it. So that was today's trading session, guys. I hope you're able to learn a couple of things from this session. Now, a huge mistake I see a lot of beginners make, which I hope you don't make the same mistake, but you're most likely gonna make a mistake if you don't listen to what I'm saying right now. So don't skip this video yet. You watch one video and you think that you understand everything, and then you just go ahead to trade and you don't get further information. See, the thing when you're beginning to trade is there's so many things you don't understand, and in as much as I am trying my best to explain everything in my head to you, it's not going to be enough in one video, which is why you need to watch several videos. I mean, for sure, definitely try out this strategy, and when you experience some difficulties in trying out the strategy, don't be afraid or don't be shy to reach out to me, and I'll try to help you as much as I can. And also feel free to watch my other videos. Maybe I'll leave some links around here, and if I don't, when I'm editing, you can always check my channel for some other videos that are going to help you to really understand how the chart moves, how the candles work together, how to really understand the indicators. And trust me, guys, in no time you're going to be a profitable trader. So that is all for today's session. See you in the next one. Peace out. Bye.